This week's second round of COVID-19 vaccinations puts Americans one step closer to ending the pandemic. But what about our children? Will they be receiving the vaccine when it becomes available to the general public? Well, the answer is not yet. LEX 18's Sophia Millar talks to an expert about why the newly approved vaccines are not suitable for children and what you need to know to protect your family until one is available.
COVID-19 vaccinations are underway for American adults, but it'll take some time before children can begin lining up to get the vaccine. As to why, we took that question to an expert.
Well, we can't give the ones that are available now to kids just because they haven't been studied or approved in kids yet.
Pfizer and Moderna are making headway in vaccine trials for children as young as 12 years old. But Dr. Sarah O'Leary says it will take a lot more data before parents can expect the FDA to approve a COVID-19 vaccine in younger age groups.
We don't have any reason to think they'll be less effective or more dangerous in kids, but we just need to have more numbers and more people get it in trials first before we can recommend it.
While data shows fewer children fall seriously sick with COVID-19 compared to adults, Dr. O'Leary recommends parents get their children vaccinated once one is available.
So we know there's risks to getting COVID. As far as we know, the risks to the vaccines are way less than the risks to actually having the disease. And so that's how I think about that, is we know getting COVID could be dangerous. We don't have any reason to think the shot is dangerous.
Until then, what does this mean for how we protect our families? Dr. O'Leary says we can expect to continue following safety guidelines for the foreseeable future. In Lexington, Sophia Millar, LEX 18 News.
There is no guarantee a vaccine for children will be available before the end of the current school year. But Dr. O'Leary tells us if schools resume in-person learning, the best way to contain the spread of the virus is to once again continue following the CDC's safety guidelines.